Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hi. I think I've seen you here before.
Oh, hello. Yes, I come here sometimes. My name is Richard.
I'm Sansa. Nice to meet you. So, do you come to church every week?
Not every week, but I try to come when I can. It has a peaceful feeling here. What about you?
Yes, I am here every Sunday. Faith is very important to me.
That's great. Can I ask, what do you believe in?
I believe in God. I feel His presence in my life, especially in nature and when I'm with my family.
I saw you were praying. It seemed sincere.
Thank you. I was just giving thanks.
What were you giving thanks for?
First, I thanked God for my life, my health, and my family. Then I prayed for other people.
You prayed for other people, even for those you don't know.
Yes, of course. I always pray that they can be happy and safe. It makes me feel connected to the world.
That's a beautiful way of thinking. I usually only pray when I need help with something.
That's good too. Asking for guidance is also part of faith. God listens to all kinds of prayers.
I like that. Maybe I should give thanks more.
It changes your perspective. You start to see all the good things, even on hard days.
Do you ever have doubts about your faith?
Sometimes, yes. Everyone has doubts sometimes. But that's how my faith becomes stronger.
How does it become stronger?
When I look for answers, I learn more. I talk to my pastor or I read the Bible.
I see. I should talk to someone too. It's not always easy to believe.
That's true. Life can be difficult, but I feel God gives me strength.
What gives you the most strength?
Praying and talking with my friends from church. We support each other.
That sounds nice. I don't have many friends who go to church.
You can join our group if you want. We meet on Wednesdays.
Really? What do you do in the group?
We talk about the Bible, drink coffee, and share our problems. It's very informal.
I like coffee. Maybe I'll come next week.
Great! I can introduce you to everyone.
Thanks. Do you also do volunteer work with the church?
Yes, we do. We help at the food bank every month. It feels good to help.
I've always wanted to do that. Is it hard?
No, it's not hard. You just pack food and talk to people. It's simple.
I think I need to do more for other people.
That's a good thought. Even small things can make a big difference.
Like, what small things?
Smiling at someone or listening to a friend. Just being kind.
You're right. I can do that.
So, what do you do for work, Richard?
I'm a teacher. I teach history at a high school.
That's a wonderful job. Do you enjoy it?
Most of the time, yes. The students can be difficult, but I like teaching them about the past.
How does your job connect to your faith?
That's a good question. I try to be patient and fair like God teaches us.
That's a beautiful connection. Our faith should be part of everything we do.
I'd never thought about it like that before.
What about your family? Are they religious?
My parents go to church sometimes, but my brother doesn't believe in God.
That must be hard for you.
Sometimes, but I respect his choice. We still have a good relationship.
That's important. We can love people even if they think differently.
Exactly. Do your friends have different beliefs?
Yes, some of them do. We talk about it sometimes. It's interesting to learn from each other.
I agree. It makes the world more interesting.
Do you have any hobbies, Richard?
I like reading and hiking. Being in nature makes me feel close to God.
Me too. What's your favorite place to hike?
I like the national park near the city. The trees and the river are beautiful.
I love it there too. It's like God's artwork.
Yes, it is. Do you want to go hiking together sometime?
I'd like that. Maybe next Saturday?
Sure, that sounds perfect.
Great. We can talk more about faith and life.
I look forward to it. Do you think God has a plan for everyone?
I believe He does, but we also have free will to make our own choices.
So, our choices are important.
Yes, very important. Our choices shape our lives.
That's a big responsibility.
It is, but we don't have to do it alone. We have God and our community.
Community is important to you, isn't it?
Yes, it is. We are not meant to be alone.
I'm starting to understand that now. What's that?
That's the bell. It means we should get ready for the service.
Oh, I see. Should we go inside?
Yes, let's go. It was really nice talking to you, Richard.
It was nice talking to you too, Sansa. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
You're welcome. See you in the service.
Okay. See you there.